Hey everyone, it's 2023 and everybody is talking about whiteboard animation. There is a lot to talk about in very short time. Let's start it. I am Muqaddas Khizr, working as professional since 2012. Are you a business owner or sales services? So you are at the right place. For the advertisement, for learning methods, for expressing your words. Are you tired of from traditional concepts? Here you can make your concept onto canvas. Wanna talk about shares and the growth? Or some spooky stories? Or want some motivation videos about books, travel, animals, medical or the numbers? All are here. Just say Yahoo! We can present these videos in 3 different languages: English, Hindi, Punjabi. Stop wasting time on dull methods. Contact me with ease of your time. Sayonara.